Greetings, July 20th, 2022. I added another piece of found detritus on the frame of this drawing I did last year, memorial to Donnie Chin, the kind of health activist to youth, teens in Seattle's International District, who himself was a victim of American gun rights, terrorism, and genocide. I saw this on the ground one day last week when I was walking to and from Uwajimaya, the Japanese-American supermarket in the International District, and the Smiley Face caught my eye. I took it home, cut off the top, got rid of the name of the company that had made it, and attached here yesterday. This piece of wood I had attached when I did the framing last year. Also something I found on the sidewalk. All right, Donnie Chin of blessed memory.